Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see it when you try to create an account on Instagram and you receive this error, sign up blocked. Sorry, you can't create a new account right now. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to know that mostly you need to wait some time because Instagram just block. Maybe you create too many accounts at one time, or you just create too many accounts on your network. So also you can try to do like this. So just go to the settings. In the settings, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use mobile data. Just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data. And if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on Wi-Fi. So just change your network. And if it doesn't help you, if you have another device, just try to create account from another device and with another Wi-Fi, with another network. So this is the only way how you can fix it. Also, you can try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write Instagram, and if you see here update, just tap on update, and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.